In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create commission rules so that your users and affiliates can start earning their commissions based on the sales of the products that they make. So let's go ahead and start by setting up a product with a commission rule. So we're going to navigate over to our products over here on the left-hand side, and I'm going to create a new product, and I'm just going to call this affiliate product. And I'm going to give it a price of $100, and I'm going to leave the rest the same and hit save. Now I want to go to my advanced settings, and I want to enable the network setting over here. And when I scroll down, you'll see that I've got these network settings enabled. So here you'll be able to set up how many personal points they receive based on any sales of this product. The same with incentive points. I'm not going to touch on those for right now. All we're going to focus on is the commission percentage. And you'll see here that it is set to 100%. So now what is going to end up happening with this commission percentage set up as it is now? They're going to end up receiving 100% of the sale because we haven't set up any other commission rules that say otherwise. And any active affiliate is receiving 100% of their commissions. We haven't set up anything else that says, oh no, they don't receive 100% of the value. So here we're actually going to set it up to be 50% of the sales value, which is 100 Rand. So in this case, the commissionable value of this product is going to be 50%. Our commissions are not going to be calculated on the $100. Instead, they're going to be calculated on 50% of the $100. So they're going to be calculated on $50. So let's just hover over the tooltip here. It might make it a bit more clear. So when you allocate a percentage of the sales value to the commission value here, all commission rules are going to be calculated off the commission value and not the sales value of $100. So like I said, when we set this commission value to 50%, all commissions will be calculated on $50 instead of $100. All right, so let's go ahead and just save the changes because this does get a little bit convoluted and a bit confusing, but we've set that up. Now we're going to go ahead and set up a commission rule. So we're going to navigate over to our network area over here on the left-hand side. We're going to click on setup and we're going to come to commission. And now we're going to add our first commission. So we're going to click add commission, and I'm just going to call this affiliate commission. And I'm then going to select my commission type. So I can choose a flat amount or I can choose a percentage. If I choose a flat amount, then this is just going to be the base payout for whatever it is. So I could say, yep, anytime you make a sale, you get $20. But I don't want to do that. I actually want to create a percentage, and I want to make sure that this is assigned to our level 1 affiliates. So this is going to be any sales that your affiliates make to someone else. That is going to be their level 1. So we're going to say it's assigned to their level 1, and then I'm going to assign a percentage. So in this case, I'm again going to make it 50%. So now we've got a slightly bigger example. So our product is $100. The commissionable value is 50%. So they can earn based on that 50% commissionable value of the $100. Now, this commission rule that we're setting up is another 50%. So actually, they're going to earn $25 off of that $100 sale. So let's go ahead and save these changes. And now we're met with a few other settings. So the first thing we've got is our availability. Who do I want this commission rule to be available to? So I'm going to come here and I'm going to make sure that it is available to my affiliate rank, and only to any users who are active. So only users who are active with the affiliate rank will be receiving this commission. Again, over here, I can change my commission type between a flat amount and a percentage. I'm going to leave it as a percentage. Then we have some advanced settings. So let's go through a few of these. We're not going to use all of them. Some of them are quite advanced, but we're just going to go through a few basic ones that you might want to use. So the first thing we can do is limit our payouts. And if I scroll down here, I can then set a payout limit. And what this means is that you can set how many times this specific commission can be paid out. So in our example here, it says only pay this commission to affiliates the specified number of times. This setting is commonly used for one-time achievement bonuses. So you're going to set out how many times they can be paid out for this particular commission. So we'll just set it to 5. All right, then we have another advanced setting. You can choose to add a base amount that you pay out on top of the commission percentage. So you could say, yep, you get a base payout of $20 on top of the commission, which is going to be 25%. So, well, which is going to be $25 in this example. So you'll get $45 if my maths is correct. It's very basic maths, it should be. Then we have our min amount. So you can set a minimum amount that is going to be paid out to them. So you can say that it is $200. And if they earn $150, they're still going to be paid out $200. So the minimum amount that they can be paid out is $200. And the other option here, I just skipped over it, is the max amount. So you can limit how much in total they can earn. So you can set it to $300. So they can only make so many sales before they are cut off from earning. So the most they'll be able to earn from selling this product and earning this commission is $300. So if they earn under $200, they'll still receive $200. But if they earn more than $300, they won't be paid out more than $300, if that makes sense. All right, and then the rest of these are a little bit more complex, so we're going to leave those alone. And in fact, I'm actually going to disable all of these more advanced settings, and we're just going to leave it very simple and very basic. And then you'll see here we've got our percentage rules. And the one that is important here is our volume. So you'll see it set to total sales value. When total sales value is selected, it is going to override whatever commissionable value we have set in the specific product. So as you remember, because we've just done it, we've set a commissionable value of our $100 product to 50%. So they're actually supposed to only be earning a percentage of that 50%. So we want to change this to be the commissionable sales value. So now this percent is going to apply to that 50% that we set up in the product. All right, so now that we've done that, we can go ahead and hit save. Okay, so just a quick review of everything that we've set up. We've set up that $100 product with a 50% commission value, and we've created this commission rule that allows them to earn 50% of the 50% of that $100 product. And this commission value is only available to our affiliate rank users who are active, and it is calculated based on their level 1 sales. So we're going to go ahead and save those changes. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create offers so that your affiliates can actually start selling your products on your behalf. I'll see you there.